Welcome, guys. My name is Ahmed Abdullahi. My student number is 218-407-635, and I'm here to demo the assignment 2. And as you can see here, this is the Othello assignment. I'll walk you through the features of the game, focusing on the implementation, design patterns used, and how each pattern helps maintain clean, extendable code. I'll also discuss some of the architectural designs I made to ensure the code is high quality. And let's just start by looking at the overall structure of the application, which follow the model view controller architecture. And this approach helps keeps the user interface separate from the game logic, making the code maintainable and easier to extend. So we have the view, which represents the game state, manages the board, keeps track of the rules, any type of logic that's independent of the UI. And the view is implemented, as you can see, as we can see, it's a board of buttons as we'll get into it when we look at the game. It simply reflects the current state of the game as handled by the model. And the controller, which is us, is responsible for handling user input when a player makes a move. And the controller, so let's just get into it and I'll show you. So here, 1 second. Let me delete this one. Uh, Game. So here, if you can see here, we have the controller view, which if you make a move, controller updates the model and the view reflects those changes. And next, we're going to look at the human versus, computer strategy pattern. And let's look how players can choose between playing against the computer. And the strategy pattern allows me to define different behaviors for the AI specifically, a greedy strategy and a random strategy. And the computer aims to maximize the number of set of pieces it can capture with each move. In contrast, the random strategy has computer picks his move at random, adding variety to the game, right? So these strategies are encapsulated in different classes, and the controller selects the appropriate one at runtime and makes the AI logic easily extendable. And if I wanted to add a new type of like class, I could use like a minimax based strategy. I could simply just add a new class implementing the same interface. And now looking at some other features here at the bottom, we have our undo, next game, and resign features or commands. And this feature is implemented by using the command pattern, and each move is encapsulated in a command object which can be executed, undone, or redone. And this allows for a history of moves to be maintained, which is essential for undo or like the redo feature. So we can do like undo. We just undid our one move right there, and you see we still done it. So if I do it again, undo, and I can place another one right there. So that is our undo feature. If you want, you can see here resign. I can press here yes resign or no keep playing. I'm gonna press no keep playing, and here is just our next game, which will just move on to our next game. And our optional features are save and load game. So our games here are automatically saved. So if we resign and say yes, resign, we can go back to our game and we still have our game right here saved for us. Okay. And so yeah, for the optional features, they were kind of persistent. So I used like serialization to save the game state, ensuring that the model could be easily stored and restored. And this feature just adds like a convenience without adding much complexity. And looking at up here, some features, these are just null features, challenges, tournaments, not just for user view or the user experience. And yeah, so if I'm gonna show you right here, I can actually resign. Oh, wait, I can actually resign out of the game. If I go out of here, I resign. And after I can see previous move. So we did a one move, which was D3. We can copy that move and we can play again. And thank you for watching this demonstration. I hope you enjoyed seeing how the different features work and how design patterns have been applied to ensure a flexible architecture. And if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you.